Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wake up to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the verb yazuru to suit certain pronouns in Arabic. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. فعل مضارع present tense. فعل مضارع present continuous tense. فعل مضارع. This is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action happening at the moment or something that we do on daily basis, like going to work, going to school, or going to the mosque. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called فعل مضارع. The question is, how do we change the verb yazuru to suit the pronouns below? Yazuru simply means he is visiting. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb yazuru to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb yazuru to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb yazuru will now become azuru, which means I am visiting. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb yazuru to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb yazuru will now become nazuru, which means we are visiting. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb yazuru to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb yazuru will now become tazuru, which means you are visiting, talking to a single male person. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb yazuru to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach ya'un and nunun carrying fataha to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb yazuru will now become tazurina, which means you are visiting. You can only use this to talk to a single female person. Khamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb yazuru to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb yazuru will now become tazuru, which means she is visiting. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something is happening. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing is happening. For instance, wahid, number one. Yazuru, he is visiting. Ma yazuru, he is not visiting. Ithnan, number two. Tazuru, she is visiting. Ma tazuru, she is not visiting. Thalatha, number three. Azuru, I am visiting. Ma azuru, I am not visiting. Arba'a, number four. Nazuru, we are visiting. Ma nazuru, we are not visiting. Khamsa, number five. Tazuru, you are visiting, talking to a single male person. Ma tazuru, you are not visiting. Khamsa, number five. Tazuru, tazuru, you are visiting. Tazuru, afwan, sitta, number six. Tazurina, you are visiting, talking to a single female person. Tazurina, you are visiting. ما تزورين. You are not visiting. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. الاستعمال. Noun the usage. واحد number 1. متى يزور فيصل والده؟ يا خالد. متى يزور فيصل والده؟ يا خالد. متى يزور فيصل. When will Faisal visit والده, his father? يا خالد. خالد. متى يزور فيصل والده. When will Faisal visit his father? يا خالد. خالد. Noun the response. سيزوره ضمن العطلة. سيزوره ضمن العطلة. سيزوره. He will visit him ضمن العطلة, during the holiday. سيزوره. He will visit him ضمن العطلة, during the holiday. السؤال. متى يزور فيصل والده؟ يا خالد. الجواب. سيزوره ضمن العطلة. السؤال. متى يزور فيصل والده؟ يا خالد. الجواب. سيزوره ضمن العطلة. اثنان number 2. متى تزور زينب والدتها؟ يا عائشة. متى تزور زينب والدتها؟ يا عائشة. متى تزور زينب والدتها. When will Zainab visit her mother? يا عائشة. عائشة. متى تزور زينب والدتها. When will Zainab visit her mother? يا عائشة. عائشة. Noun the response. ستزورها هذا الشهر. ستزورها هذا الشهر. ستزورها. She will visit her. Remember, the sinun at the beginning of the verb indicates a future action. So it indicates something that is going to be done in the time to come, but not now. So it indicates a future action, future tense. سنزورها. For instance, سأذهب, I will go. سأرجع, I will come back. سأكل, I will eat. سأشرب, I will drink. So the sinun indicates a future action, an action that is going to be carried out in the time to come, but not now. So ستزورها, she will visit her. هذا الشهر, this month. ستزورها, she will visit her. هذا الشهر, this month. السؤال. متى تزور زينب والدتها؟ يا عائشة. الجواب. ستزورها هذا الشهر. السؤال. متى تزور زينب والدتها؟ يا عائشة. الجواب. ستزورها هذا الشهر. ثلاثة number 3. متى تزور والدك؟ يا خالد. متى تزور والدك؟ يا خالد. متى تزور والدك? When will you visit your father? يا خالد. خالد. متى تزور والدك? When are you going to visit your father? يا خالد. خالد. Now the response. سأزوره ضمن العطلة. سأزوره ضمن العطلة. سأزوره, I will visit him. ضمن العطلة, during the holiday. سأزوره, I will visit him. ضمن العطلة, during the holiday. السؤال. متى تزور والدك؟ يا خالد. الجواب. سأزوره ضمن العطلة. السؤال. متى تزور والدك؟ يا خالد. الجواب. سأزوره ضمن العطلة. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 4 number 4. متى تزورين والدتك؟ متى تزورين والدتك؟ يا زينب. متى تزورين والدتك؟ يا زينب. متى تزورين والدتك? When are you going to visit your mother? يا زينب. زينب. متى تزورين والدتك? When will you visit your mother? يا زينب. زينب. Noun the response. سأزورها ضمن العطلة. سأزورها ضمن العطلة. سأزورها, I will visit her. ضمن العطلة, during the holiday. سأزورها, I will visit her. ضمن العطلة, during the holiday. السؤال. متى تزورين والدتك؟ يا زينب. الجواب: سأزورها ضمن العطلة. السؤال: متى تزورين والدتك يا زينب؟ الجواب: سأزورها ضمن العطلة. 5. Number 5. متى تزورون الجامعة يا إخوة؟ متى تزورون الجامعة يا إخوة؟ متى تزورون الجامعة يا إخوة؟ متى تزورون الجامعة؟ When are you going to visit the university يا إخوة, brothers? متى تزورون الجامعة? When are you going to visit? When will you all visit the university يا إخوة, brothers? Remember that al-jami'a means university, while al-jami'a means central mosque. That is Friday prayer mosque. Al-jami' central mosque. But al-jami'a, the one with at-ta'ul marbuta at the end, at-ta'ul marbuta, round ta at the end, means university. So متى تزورون الجامعة? When will you all visit the university يا إخوة, brothers? Now the response: سنزورها بعد شهرين. سنزورها بعد شهرين. سنزورها, we will visit it. بعد شهرين, in 2 months to come. سنزورها, we will visit it. بعد شهرين, in 2 months to come. Remember that بعد means after, while قبل means before. قبل الصلاة, before the prayer. بعد الصلاة, after the prayer. قبل, before. بعد, after. سنزورها بعد شهرين, we will visit it in 2 months to come, meaning our visitation to the university will take place after 2 months. 6. Okay, السؤال, question: متى تزورون الجامعة يا إخوة؟ الجواب: سنزورها بعد شهرين. السؤال: متى تزورون الجامعة يا إخوة؟ الجواب: سنزورها بعد شهرين. 6. Number 6. متى تزورن المدرسة يا أخوات؟ متى تزورن المدرسة يا أخوات؟ متى تزورن المدرسة? When will you all visit the school يا أخوات, sisters, asking a group of female persons. متى تزورن المدرسة? When will you all visit the school يا أخوات, sisters. متى تزورن المدرسة يا أخوات؟ لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the response: سنزورها بعد 3 أيام. سنزورها بعد 3 أيام. سنزورها, we will visit it. بعد 3 أيام, in 3 days to come. سنزورها, we will visit it. بعد 3 أيام, in 3 days to come. السؤال: متى تزورن المدرسة يا أخوات؟ الجواب: سنزورها بعد 3 أيام. السؤال: متى تزورن المدرسة يا أخوات؟ الجواب: سنزورها بعد 3 أيام. 7. Number 7. متى تزوران المدير يا أخوي؟ متى تزوران المدير يا أخوي؟ متى تزوران المدير? When will you both visit the principal يا أخوي, my brothers? So how many brothers of mine am I asking? 2 brothers, as indicated in the verb تزوران. متى تزوران المدير? When will you both visit the principal يا أخوي, my brothers? Now the response: سنزوره اليوم. سنزوره اليوم. سنزوره اليوم, we will visit him today. سنزوره اليوم, we will visit him today. السؤال: متى تزوران المدير يا أخوي؟ الجواب: سنزوره اليوم. السؤال: متى تزوران المدير يا أخوي؟ الجواب: سنزوره اليوم. 8. Number 8. متى تزوران المدير يا أختي؟ متى تزوران المدير? When will you both visit the female principal يا أختي, my sisters? متى تزوران المديرة? When will you both visit the female principal? يا أختي, my sisters. So how many sisters of mine am I asking? 2 sisters. متى تزوران المديرة? When will you both visit the female principal? يا أختي, my sisters. Now the response. سنزورها غدا إن شاء الله. سنزورها غدا إن شاء الله. سنزورها, we will visit her tomorrow. إن شاء الله, by Allah's will. سنزورها غدا. سنزورها غدا, we will visit her tomorrow. إن شاء الله, by Allah's will. سنزورها غدا. غدا means tomorrow, while اليوم means today. سنزورها غدا, we will visit her tomorrow. إن شاء الله, by Allah's will. 8 number 8. أريد أن أزور والدي. أريد أن أزور والدي. أريد أن أزور, I want to visit والدي, my father. أريد أن أزور والدي, I want to visit my father. Remember that an is an agent of fatha. So its grammatical effect or its grammatical function is to mark the last letter of the verb appearing after it with fatha, as we have it in an azuro, not an azuru. So once an comes before fi'il mudari, the last letter of the fi'il mudari must be marked with fatha. Uridu an azhaba, I want to go. Uridu an arji'a, I want to come back. Uridu an akula, I want to eat. Uridu an ashraba, I want to drink. So the last letter must be marked with fatha, with the appearance of an before the verb. La'allaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the comparison between madin, past tense, and mudari'un, present tense in Arabic. Wahid number 1. Huwa, he. Zara, he visited or he has visited. Yazuru, he is visiting or he visits. Zara, he has visited or he visited. Yazuru, he is visiting or he visits. Ithnan number 2. Here, she. Zarat, she has visited or she visited. Tazuru, she is visiting or she visits. Thalatha number 3. Ana, I. Zurtu, I have visited or I visited. Azuru, I am visiting or I visit. Arba'a number 4. Nahanu, we. Zurna, we have visited or we visited. Nazuru, we are visiting or we visit. Khamsa number 5. Anta, you, representing a single male person. Zurta, you have visited or you visited. Tazuru, you are visiting or you visit. Sita number 6. Anti, you, representing a single female person. Zurti, you have visited or you visited. Tazurina, you are visiting or you visit. Sab'a number 7. Antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Zurtum, you have all visited or you all visited. Tazuruna, you are all visiting or you all visit. Thamania number 8. Antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. Zurtunna, you have all visited or you all visited. Tazurna, tazurna, you are all visiting or you all visit. La'allaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Make sure to buy a copy of our ebooks, which comprises of video clips and PDF file via the link below, right there at the comment section. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.